Aloha, bonjour, guten tag, ciao, konnichiwa, ni hao, hola, que pasa, and howdy, my peeps, what's happening? Today's video is a short one about the alleged September update for PowerDirector 365 users. Just towards the end of August, a new update was available for 365 users. Now, based on the timing of it being released just before the beginning of the next month, I would assume that this was the September update. This latest version ends with 0823. So far, I've gone through the program and I can find little evidence of anything of importance being changed. There are a few new titles, Glitch 02 through 10, that are found in the What's New category, but are actually assigned to the Stylize category. I've also noticed a new splash screen when the program starts to load. Now, one further comment about the titles, transitions, and overlays. For about the third month in a row, I've noticed multiple new titles suddenly appearing one day in my program, usually a week or two before an actual update was made available. Now, this was done without an actual update being performed by me, but maybe by what I'm calling a silent push update. The version number would not change. To be clearer, there's a chance that these may not have been already new titles. Now, let me explain. Usually, what I do is immediately after a real update, I make a detailed list of all new titles. Usually, titles, transitions, and overlays will have that small download icon in the lower right of the thumbnail. I make a specific point to download all of these so that the next time I can easily tell which ones just came in as new. As I've said, for about the third month in a row now, or at least the third month in a row that I've noticed it, I'll start the program one day and magically there are multiple new titles or transitions or overlays that are showing as new on my system. Now, maybe I missed these and they were there all along, but I doubt that. Because I did not specifically perform an update, I'm calling these silent push updates done in the middle of the night, sort of like what Microsoft does with Windows sometimes. Most recently, I've noticed several new titles that suddenly appeared, such as Quote 21 through 40 and Modern 01 through 20. The quote titles are assigned to the callout category, while the modern titles are assigned to the motion graphics category. They both are still also found in the What's New category, where they seem to remain for the next few more months. Other than that, I hope that just a redesign of the splash screen is not what Cyberlink calls an update. You can try to update your program from directly within the program by clicking on the About icon in the upper left corner and then clicking on the Check for Updates button. I found that to be not totally reliable in the past, so the best method is to actually run the Cyberlink Application Manager program to see if there are any updates available. If you are up to date, then everything is good in the universe.